Welcome to my channel, Brain Boosters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What is comfort food? Comfort foods are dishes that provide a sense of nostalgia or emotional well-being. Here's is 6 Monsoon comfort foods. Pakoras, crispy deep-fried snacks made from vegetables like onions and potatoes, dipped in graham flour batter. Buddha roasted corn, grilled corn on the cob, often seasoned with salt, chili powder, and lime. Soup, hot soups like tomato, lentil, or mixed vegetable are comforting during the rains. Masala chai, spiced tea brewed with a mix of herbs and spices like ginger, cardamom, and cloves. Khichdi, a simple, soothing dish made with rice and lentils, often served with a dollop of ghee. Samosas, deep-fried pastry filled with spiced potatoes and peas. Vada pav, a spicy potato fritter stuffed inside a bread bun, served with green chutney and chili. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.